So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a small countdown timer using Python, and I'll be doing it on Jupyter Notebook. Feel free like to do it on anywhere on VS Code or like any IDE that you prefer. Okay, so I'll be using the notifications for the purpose. Okay, like when the application starts, it will notify the user that it has started, and when the application stops, it will notify the user that it has ran completely. Okay, I don't know why this particular run cell below is present. Yep. So we are ready with the environment. So the first thing that I will do is to build the countdown timer. Okay. So let's suppose we are counting back from 10 seconds. Okay. And we need to import the time module. I have not made a video on time module. Hopefully we'll make a video on time module in the future. So we will use while loop. We don't need to give true while count is greater than equal to 0. Okay, now what we have to do, let's print. Okay, should be simple, or let we can convert it into minutes and seconds. Like minutes should be it should be count modulus. I mean, it should be divided by 60, and we have seconds, which should be count modulo 60. Okay, now if I print mins, okay, so now minutes should come over here, and after that seconds. So if I print it, by the way, now it won't work. Now I have to do count minus equal to 1. Okay, now if I do shift and enter, yeah, we can see from 10 seconds to 0 seconds it printed like in a flash. So if I give more, maybe 61. Okay, so for example, this count is nothing but it's our counter. This value is in seconds. Okay, and let me put this comment over there in seconds. Okay, SECONDS. Okay, I hope that's correct. Now if I print it, now you can see it's 1 minute, for example 60 seconds, so it's 1 minute and 1 second. Then it's 1 minute and 0 seconds, and likewise it's going till 0 0. Okay, so I guess that looks good. Okay, so now we just need to delay it. Fine. So to delay it, it's a very simple thing. We need to do time dot sleep, and we'll give 1. This value is also in seconds. Okay, so for example, this code will run. Okay, and when it will run this, it will wait for 1 second, and again it will run this particular code. Obviously it will check the if condition, and if I do shift and enter, see, it's working, right? But the thing is, it is like printing it in a different line, right? That is not something we want, because obviously we don't want it to print this huge list. So obviously I'm going to stop it. So how to prevent it from printing a different line? So just we need to come over here, and in the printing we need to give /r, and if I do again shift enter, now see, it is printing on the particular same line. Okay, so I hope it will work perfectly fine. Okay, So generally I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna print the last 15 seconds. I think that's going to give us a good idea. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Yep. So as you can see, it's printing 0 uh, colon then 10, like it should be like 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, not 90, right? It should give us 9, it should give us 7, it should give us 6. Okay, so this is not some mathematical issue. This is just a formatting issue on because we are giving this slash r, so it's because of that. So generally what is happening, I'll explain this. So after 0 colon 10 it should print 0 colon 9, but it printed 0 colon 90, right? So what happened was, when this slash r is encountered, it moves the cursor, the printing cursor, from the last position to the first position. Okay, so again it starts printing. So here you can see there are four different symbols, but here there are three different symbols. So these three different symbols was overwritten this three different symbols have overwritten this particular 0 colon 1. Okay, this got overwritten, but this particular 0 was not overwritten. Okay, so that's why we could see 0 colon 90. Okay, so just a printing issue. Now we can avoid that. Then we have to make this change. Yes. So now we have to do dot format, and here you have to pass minutes and seconds. Okay, and here we have to do colon 0 to D, and here colon 0 to D. So now if I do shift and enter, 10, 11, 10. Yes. I hope you guys now got this right. So now every digit is like there are two places for like minutes and two places for seconds. Okay. So now it is not able to overwrite like the way we want. So now it is overwriting the way we want it to overwrite. Okay, just a small thing. Okay, it's not that trivial. So let me do this current. Okay, countdown, and if I execute again, I hope this looks good. Now we can put a notification thing that I have shown you. So from PLYER import notification. Now here obviously I have to execute this notification dot notify. Okay, so what all we need title, we'll give this as countdown timer, and we'll give a message that timer countdown started. Okay, I guess this should be fine, and when it finishes it will say countdown ended. I think that's pretty simple, right? So if I do shift and enter, so you can see countdown time. Okay, countdown time alert. Let me give countdown notification. Okay, and once the countdown ended, see, we again got that notification that the countdown time is over. So yeah, we can build small kind of things with it. Okay, It looks a little bit cooler, you can say. Like, you can build your like school projects or college projects. Like, for example, if you are writing to a database, maybe you can alert that we are writing something to the database. If you are doing any kind of for example, important thing that you want to notify the user, okay, you can do that. So these small things we can build. So I'll keep the video short till here. Okay, don't worry regarding the source code. Obviously, you will get the source code. Okay, so check in the description. Okay, you have my GitHub link and the source code link. You can check from there. And that's it for this video. In the upcoming videos, we'll be building something more small things like this. If you like videos like this, do press that like button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in an awesome upcoming video.